Ooh, wow, you look like you have some gumballs. Can I have some? Okay. Which flavor do you want? Can I have the strawberry flavored gumball? Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, here's a strawberry flavored gumball. Say yeah. Ah. Okay, eat the gumball. Oops. Yum, but there's something at the back of my throat. Oh, you burped a surprise toy. It's a food surprise toy. Something is inside. Let's check it out. Okay. Okay, there's the spoon and fork. And there's the toy gumball. And just do this and feed him. Can I have some more gumballs? Can I have a watermelon flavored gumball? Coming right up. Here's a watermelon gumball. Saya That's delicious, but something's in the back of my throat again. Achoo. Ooh. If you eat, I got surprise toys. And it's a car toy simulator. Our first section is pickup truck. Here's a look at pickup truck. Wow, look at all the details. What flavor should I eat next? Can I have a apple flavored gumball? I think you have enough for gumballs today. Aww, can I just have only one, please? Can I eat only one half because I ate a lot of halves? You got it, but this is the last one, okay? Yay, there's my last gumball. Okay, I get the gumball. Okay, there's an apple flavored gumball. Say yeah. Okay, now cut it. And eat it. Oh, something is at the back of my throat again. Achoo! Wow, your burps are magical. It says Tank World. Our first section is drive a tank. Look a closer look at riding truck. You can't even turn like a normal thing. Thanks for the gumballs. They were delicious. Hey, red guy, what happened to your teeth? What do you mean? Hey, look at your teeth. It feels like you have cavities. Ow! Why would they do that? That really hurt. I think we have to go to the dentist. Hey, welcome to the dentist. Say ah. Okay, let me check. Let's check the bottom first. Yeah, two the two accidents and one accident at the top. So I have to get a drill so I can rid of the bad teeth. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Okay. Now time to rid of the bad teeth from up. Good. Okay, now time to rid of the bad teeth with this. And get rid of the bad teeth. Oh, there's a strawberry and watermelon accident. And let's get the top one. Don't worry, I'm not. Don't worry. Don't worry, I'll make more. I'll make new teeth for you. I feel like this a what apple flavored gumball. Don't worry, I'll fix your teeth. I feel much better now. Thanks, doctor. Wait, before you go, I'm gonna give you surprise toys. Okay. Wow, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna unbox it for you. Our next is speed pickup truck. Look at the details of speed pickup truck. Finally, I can eat some more gumballs. Oh, seriously. Ha, it's just a joke. Goodbye.